guys, didn't realise you was going to be here so early. Nice to see you. I've had an absolute result this morning. I was walking around the trails back on the floor, found myself a little swim cap. So yeah, very nice. Fitting too. Adjustable also, buoyancy aid. You know, it's the absolute dream, loving it. Right, today I just want to say thank you for all the comments. You know, I always thought I had a face for radio, but turns out by some of your comments I have actually looked like Mr. Bean. So maybe I'm starting to think that I've got a face for memes instead. But yeah, no guest again. So Matty was the highest picked person. So I tell you what, actually, why don't you all DM him and say, get in the chair. So yeah, get in the chair, Matty. Get him in. Actually, I have an even better idea. I'll give you his phone number. It is 077 32 983. Thank you. Give him a shout and see how he gets on with that. Wicked. Right, today, let's talk about today. Enough of that. We're going to be going to the small line at Woburn. So we're going to revamp that, get it running, because I want, you know, loads of you guys to come down and session it. Play on it. We're going to talk about some of the reasons as to why we've changed a couple of bits of it, have a ride on it, you know, go from there with it. So let's get on, do that. Oh yeah, you know, if you, what we're doing and you want to leave you crack on, really appreciate it. Excuse me, that's that tea. What is it today? Oh, it's the old Detox Relax tea from Pucker. Very nice. Amazon still haven't come up on the Prime, so I don't know what's happened with that. But that's about done. We'll leave that there. We'll have that at lunchtime. What else do we need? Tape measure. All right, let's do it. Yeah, let's get on with it. All right, cool. I'm gonna get changed and we'll see you out the front. All right, nice one. Cheers, guys. Oh, Alfie, do you mind just putting some sound clips over it? You know, make it look a bit more interesting when I'm getting changed. Hey, good old boy. See you in a bit, boy. I think we used all our sound budget on that. We got all the tools. We're going to the small line. Let's do it. Bit of reversing mirror on that. Whoa, same again. Whee! Oh. Right, we got an armoury of tools. We got another flatty scraper type of rake, another flat one, another type of rake, a couple of Fisker's spades, got some long handles. So we're gonna use some of these. Obviously we've got the old watering can, but we're going to go from the start. I'm going to walk you through these trails. This is Woburn's small line, so we've got one here ending up with the fourth one at the end. Let's talk you through it. Right, this is the small line. This is the beginning. This one's a little step down. I personally think this is the problem as to why these trails aren't quite right, so we're going to tweak this. Let's go to the second. Right, this is the second one. This is ultimately the first double after the setup on the step down. So we're going to do this one, make it run a little bit sweeter. Let's go down to the third. Right, this is the third one. As you come off the second, you come down a bit into a little roller. Then you pick up on the third. This is just a normal, sweet little double. We're going to clean this one up as well, make it look real smart. Let's get on to the fourth and the final. This one is the fourth. This is the last one in the line. This one's predominantly mostly for tricks and stuff. After you've hit the third, hit the fourth, and then it's a nice sweet run out. Right, let's get on with it. Let's change a couple of things up and make it look real dreamy. Right, we're back at the first again. As you see, this is a step down. This is kind of like a setup jump. It's a step down because the start point is higher to the landing, which is lower. So, you know, you step down into it. The reason why I think this is a problem for this little trail here is because you have to clear this, which ultimately puts far too much speed into that one. So what we're going to do, we're going to make this into a little double roller so you can manage your speed better and you can have more play on the second. All right, let's get it on. tip. Instead of digging a massive hole, you'll be amazed by the amount of dirt you can just get by scraping the ground. Like if you went down 3 inches over the size of a football pitch, the amount of dirt you had would be unreal. So, you know, when people ask, oh, where'd you get all the dirt from? We just landscape it, just drop it down a couple of inches, you know, and it doesn't look too untidy as well. So that's what we're trying to do here. So, you know, if we just take a little bit like that, you know, and just keep, and then we can just grade it all in, blend it all in, and it'll look beautiful. Also, we've got Ali Dunn with us today. He's helping us sling a bit of dirt. So it's going to be cool. Then we're both going to have a little ride on it. I think now, surprisingly, the dirt's actually really dry. I think it's because we've got these big trees around us that just draw so much moisture up. So we're going to wet it up, we're going to tread it in, we're going to build it again, and then get on with it. All right, let's do it.
Because you don't know who you're gonna meet.
Right, we've changed this from a step down now into a double roller. It's going to be so much better, you know, because you can actually manage your speed through a roller now. You're not governed by the speed the double was set at. So I'm excited to try this. We're going to get this rolling now. Big shout out to Ali for helping us build this. Also Sam and Pete, they've helped down the backside, and Alfie's actually got off the camera as well and did a bit of dressing up on the side. Look at that, magic. The boys done good. So we're going to get the bikes and let's try her out. All right, let's do it. Yeah! Yo, the trails are running really, really sweet. Sam and Pete, the other two riders, not Ali, have only been riding for a year, so you know this is a great beginner set. So get yourselves down here and have a little sesh. Running real nice. Cheers guys for watching that. I hope you liked the freshen up of the step down to the roller. Thank you to Ali, also to Sam and Pete for joining us. We've had a good time. Get yourselves down here, come and have a little play. You know, there's loads of stuff to play on. It's super fun. It's pretty straightforward as well. You know, and you can do a few little tech combos in there as well. Hope you guys have enjoyed yourself, and we'll see you in the next one. Oh yeah, before you go, bloopers at the end. Check them out. See you later. Peace. Bye. That off, folks. Huh? Right, we've... Ready?